All right, as you can see, it says, please create an account to get started. Each user will have a beginning balance of $100. Let's go ahead and see what happens if we just try to log in without having created an account first. And it says, sorry, that user does not exist. So let's go ahead and create an account. If we do nothing, it says name cannot be left blank. Okay. Email cannot be left blank. Password cannot be left blank. Password must be at least 8 characters. All right, success. Let's go ahead and add another account. Okay, success. Let's go ahead and log in. And you can see that we're logged in. We can now see the deposit, withdrawal, and all data page. We can see both of the accounts with the beginning balance of $100. If we try to submit here an amount that's negative, it says it cannot be negative. How about amount should be a number? Okay. So let's go ahead and add an amount. Deposit of $100 was successful. The balance is now $200. Let's try to do the same on the withdraw. Cannot be negative. Enter numerical values only. And how about if we do an amount that is greater than our account balance? Insufficient funds. Sorry, you do not have enough funds to process this transaction. And if we do an amount that we do have, now the account balance is $180. It updated the total amount to $180. It looks like everything is working. Okay, so the design I chose is obviously very simple. I used, for the deposit and withdrawal amounts, I used green and red just because that's what we associate with positive and negative. For the create account and login, I used the blue just because it's a pretty common color to use for those things, I guess. So everything's really easy to see, easy to navigate. Obviously, you can see up here at the top, I added on hover, you can see everything gets, although the nav links up here get a little bit bigger, and obviously they're highlighted in white. Whatever page you're on is now highlighted in blue, so you can see which page you're currently on. Let's see, did I use form component? Yes, I did. I used form with deposit and withdraw. It just was easier to display, and I used form control for those. I think that's all that criteria. Okay, what challenges did I encounter? I encountered a lot of challenges with this. First was just adding the deposit and withdrawal pages and how to get the total balance to update. I just had to go, I had to look back at past assignments and just kind of keep reworking it until it worked. And then I had a really hard time with the all data. Just nothing was showing up for the longest time. And it turns out it was just a simple typo. I had to delete one character and then it was working again. But the biggest challenge was getting the data to save after the page reloaded. I could not figure that out. Finally, I decided just to start over with all of it. And that helped from there. So I started over with what I knew and what I was doing right, and then it was so much easier from there than trying to figure out what wasn't working. Just being able to start over, I was able to complete it. I really was having a really hard time until I just decided to start over. So I think that answers all the criteria. Thank you.